Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Beyond Authentic, where we focus on weight loss, well-being and health in general. My name is Lisa. Ruffus is just back there. Shout hello.
Hi.
And in today's video, I've got a snack haul for you. Today it's mainly from Aldi with a little bit of Asda sprinkled in. So then, just a couple of bits and pieces. So I really like tuna, so we just got some everyday tuna chunks. Got a couple of tins of that. The mackerel and tomato sauce, I believe, is still free on Slimming World. So yep, I got a few tins of those. I quite like their energy drinks, and with the fibro, sometimes when I'm absolutely about to collapse, this is one of the few things that keeps me going, is some energy drink. So there we go. We're going to have that now, actually, because I'm feeling quite a bit tired, having just come back from the shop. Some chickpeas, got a few tins of that. I really like them. They're really good as a thickening agent in soups, but also just to make our own hummus, which I do quite often. Mushy peas, again, free on Slimming World. The light mayonnaise. This isn't the lighter than light one, but this is just the ordinary light mayonnaise. 37 calories per... Is that tablespoon? Yeah, per tablespoon. So 2 sins per tablespoon. It's not too bad. A cherry cola, just because it's the cheap one, and that is 0, and that is free. The dairy-free unsweetened soy milk, that's part of your Healthy Extra A. And then we get on to the interesting bits, really. Oh, Rivita, pumpkin seed and oat. I will double check how many sins that is before we have that, or whether that is on the Healthy Extra B. It used to be. Some porridge oats to do overnight oats with from Asda. And then this is a selection of sort of the Alpen type bars, and these. So first of all, let's go for this one first of all. This is the Harvest Moon Fiber Now. So these are like the what are they called? What are the other fiber bars called? Can you remember? Fiber One. Yeah, there you go. So these are basically the rip-off of the Fiber One. So these are 84 calories each. So these are just basically 4 sins, which isn't bad at all for these. Normally they're about 99 or 100 calories. So that's not bad at all. So I'll have that as a 4 sin snack. These are going to be 5 sins, but these just look so interesting. I haven't seen these before. These are the salted caramel, almond and pretzel bars. 93 calories per bar, so 5 sins each of those. So that'll be a really nice, interesting snack bar to have. I do like my snack bars because they're easy to sort out the sins on. These are really easy as well. So this is the pink and whites, but these smaller packets, basically, so there's 6 pink and whites in there. Each one is 50 calories, so each one is 2.5 sins. So there is 15 sins worth in that little packet. So if you open it, even if you sit there and you eat the whole packet, that's your 15 sins for the day. So that isn't bad at all. That isn't bad at all. So yeah, that's really cool. So yeah, we like these in our house. We eat a lot of these. So then I've got the chocolate fudge cereal bars. These are just the Asda's own ones. 66 calories, again, Healthy Extra B option. The summer berries one, Healthy Extra B option. The benefit bars, these are from Aldi, and of course this says it's new, and these are the salted caramel ones. Now I've got these because I want to do, last time we were on Slimming World, I said I was going to do a taste test and actually do a comparison between the different types of Alpen type bars, and haven't got around to doing that last time we were back on plan, but this time that's my intention. So salted caramel one from Benefit, I didn't fancy any of their other ones, and then I've got the summer berries and the chocolate and fudge ones, and I've got the similar ones in Alpen. So there you go. That's pretty much all we bought today in terms of snack food for Slimming World, or any kind of weight loss plan, low sin, low calorie, low point weight loss plan. So there you go. So there you go, that is what we've bought on plan. And so yeah, I just thought that I would show my face this time. Hi. So do join me on this journey. I am back on Slimming World. Ruffus is kind of back on Slimming World, aren't you, love? Yeah. But he's not going to be fully back on sort of plan as such, whereas I'm going to be going to the groups and online and all the Zoom shit and whatever else, how that ever works. I don't know how it's going to work under the pandemic, but we will find out. I will absolutely find out, and I will let you all. Don't forget, I've also got a Thursday morning live stream here on Beyond Authentic. It's get ready to go food shopping with me. So I'll do my face while talking about how the week has gone in terms of our weight loss. Talk about the food that we've eaten, talk about how easy it was to stay on plan, and also let you all know the results of my weigh-in, because I will be weighing in each and every Thursday morning. So do stay tuned for that. Do stick around for that. If you haven't already, by the way, please do hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon. Change your notifications to all, that way YouTube should notify you each and every time I upload a video. There are going to be more videos coming your way. We're working on a series, a brand new series to this channel, which is going to be absolutely really interesting, but also quite fun and all around sticking on plan, as well as we're going to do some updates of recipes and everything else. So if all of that sounds like something that you are interested in, then make sure you stick around here on Beyond Authentic. But for today, that is it from me. And as we always say, what do we say, Ruffus?
Keep warm.
Yeah, keep warm and happy slimming. We'll see you soon. Bye.